Welcome students, today we are going to discuss the workbook number 9. So first of all, you can see a reading comprehension. Read the following passage and answer the questions. So over here, this is a very small passage. You have to read that passage and you have to answer the subsequent questions. Now comes the text 2. This is also another passage. Over here there are certain MCQ type questions are there, and there are certain questions. All you have to do, you have to read the passage very carefully and then you have to answer. Now we are coming to the vocabulary part. Look at the sentence below. The word in italics are adjectives. See how the adjectives are used. So here the adjectives are given, you have to read that and comes here. Now fill in the blanks with the appropriate adjectives given in the brackets after every sentence. Children suffer in winter because of dash nose, blocked nose. So you have to do the answer in this way. Now we are coming to the next part. Read the sentence from the chapter given below and then you have to answer. So now, I got him for her by accident. So here now read the sentence given below and try to find out the meaning of got from the context. You may use a dictionary to know the use of got in variety of situations. So try to answer this thing also. Now comes to the grammar part. Adverbs. You have already read about adverbs in unit 1 of the Beehive class 9. Adverbs are used to modify verbs. This means actually they tells more about verbs as well as they tells more about adjectives also. Use the adverbs given below in the box appropriately to complete the passage below. Like Project Tiger aims at the conservation of tiger. For this purpose, the government is creating forest for the tiger population. Dash in 1973. Initially in 1973, you have to write this way. Now comes the editing part. This type of question is not included in our syllabus. So comes to the question number 2. Rearrange each set of words to make sentences. Use the appropriate punctuation marks. So you have to rearrange. This is a very easy thing. So I am discussing the answer of the question number A. It is a measurable thing to live in suspense. So in the similar fashion you have to answer the questions. Now comes the listening part. There is also a passage, and go through the passage and try to answer all the questions. Thank you. See you in the next workbook class.